How to build a balanced plate for post-hysterectomy healing. Recovering from a hysterectomy requires more than medical care, it calls for mindful nutrition. The body needs targeted nourishment to rebuild tissues, restore energy, and balance hormones. Creating a balanced plate can significantly accelerate this healing process. 1. Focus on lean proteins. Protein repairs tissues and supports immune recovery. Include fish, eggs, tofu, and lentils in every meal. These sources provide essential amino acids that aid cellular regeneration. 2. Add healthy fats. Omega-3 fats reduce inflammation and promote hormonal balance. Include salmon, chia seeds, walnuts, and olive oil to support healing and heart health. 3. Choose fiber-rich whole grains. Constipation often follows surgery. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice help regulate digestion while providing steady energy. 4. Eat colorful vegetables. Leafy greens, carrots, and bell peppers are rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and boost recovery. Aim for variety to ensure a broad nutrient intake. 5. Select healing fruits. Citrus fruits, papaya, and berries supply vitamin C, which strengthens immunity and aids collagen production for wound repair. 6. Strengthen bones with calcium and vitamin D. After hysterectomy, hormone shifts can affect bone health. Include yogurt, fortified milk, and almonds. Combine these with sunlight or vitamin D-rich foods for optimal absorption. 7. Stay hydrated. Water and herbal teas support detoxification and circulation. Limit caffeine and sugary drinks to prevent dehydration and bloating. 8. Balance portion sizes. Half your plate should contain vegetables and fruits, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 whole grains. This visual guide ensures variety and balance for sustained healing. A balanced diet is the foundation of recovery after hysterectomy. Thoughtful meal choices help rebuild strength, restore hormones, and enhance overall well-being. By consistently choosing nutrient-dense foods after hysterectomy surgery, the body can heal more efficiently and regain vitality naturally. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.